The holidays aren't even here yet, and the thought of advertising for Black Friday and Cyber Monday have you ready to pull out your hair. Make life easier by putting your goods and services in the Go-Getter's Gift Guide, a B2B holiday gift guide for business owners who want to encourage their female business friends, help a mentee, or say thanks to a mentor. The Go-Getter's Gift Guide is perfect for authors, course creators, digital asset creators and graphic designers, product branding firms, cosmetologists and estheticians, and branding or product photographers. Submissions are due by November 15th, 2023. This gift guide will be posted on the Ultimate Creative blog and YouTube channel, so customers can jump straight to your website. For more information, go to tinyurl.com/Go-Getter's Guide and rest easy this holiday season.